Getting ready for Thanksgiving? Well, I'm going to show you an easy way to make your collard greens just to help you not to feel too overwhelmed in the kitchen. I made mine in my crock pot. So I'm going to show you my crock pot collard green recipe. So right now I'm starting by washing these collard greens really well. You want to wash this really well because it has a lot of dirt and sand in it. So you want to make sure you get all of that off. So I am washing it in my sink. Make sure your sink clean and just get all that dirt off. Once you do that, you just want to peel it off of the stem like what I do in there. You see that very hard stem in the middle? You're going to just peel all of the leaves off of that. So collard greens are always good with some kind of smoked meat. So I'm using smoked turkey neck. You can use any type of smoked meat that you desire. I'm also going to use some black pepper, some chicken broth. I'm going to use some Creole seasoning, some garlic powder, sugar, some butter, and black pepper, and also some pepper flakes. So this is my crock pot here, and we're going to roll these leaves up really tight, and then we're going to chop them up. You want to chop these up. You want to roll it tight first of all, and you want to chop it up fine, so you will have a nice, not too chunky of a collard green, if that makes sense. So I'm rolling it up really tight, and then you're gonna just chop this up. Now I learned to make collard greens from a soul food restaurant that I worked. I learned from the chef, and I just mastered it. Every year I make collard greens. I'm the one who make collard greens. And I just learned to, just perfect it every year. So my collard greens is pretty good, I think. I've heard people say that it is. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. I just love collard greens. I love Thanksgiving food. I just love the traditional American Thanksgiving food. For Christmas, I do Trinidadian food, but when it comes to Thanksgiving, I have to eat the traditional. So right now, after I'm done chopping this up, I'm going to start adding in all the other ingredients. So if I put the turkey neck into the crock pot, I kind of boil it a little. So this kind of creates a little broth. And I'm going to chop up a whole onion that is going to go in there. Now don't worry, this is overflowing. But once you get that cover on there, this is going to come down to nothing. So don't even worry about it overflowing. I just stuff everything in there, and at the end, you will see what happens. So I'm adding the onions in there. Some people saute the onions first and then put it in there. I just do it like this, and it comes out really well. So you can also do that, like if you want to saute to get more flavor out of it. But I mean, it still tastes really good. I didn't have to do that, but it's optional. So now I'm gonna just put in the chicken broth. I'm just pouring it all in there, and this is gonna help it to, just go down a little, because right now it's overflowing. But as I said, this is going to come down to nothing. You will see. So just pour in the chicken broth, all of it. And then we're going to just start adding in all of our seasonings. So now I'm going to put in my butter. And all the measurements for this will be down in the description below. Just click and you can get the full recipe. So at this point, I'm going to cover this a little and just let it go down a little bit. So what I will do, I will put the top on it, and I will let this reduce a little before I start adding anything else in there, because as you can see, I put the top on there, but it is still very full, because I still have to put the smoked turkey necks, which I am putting in right now. See, it reduced, so now it's a lot better. So I'm just adding in the water from the turkey necks. As I said, that was like a broth. so that adds more flavor to the dish. So this is the point where I'm adding in all my seasonings. I'm adding in my Creole seasoning, I'm adding in my garlic powder, onion powder, I'm putting in my salt, black pepper, everything that I showed you in the beginning. I am just adding all of that in right now because this is what's going to just add all the wonderful flavor to this dish. And once you cover that, I did this overnight, so I left it cook on low. And when I woke up in the morning, those turkey necks there the meat was falling off the bone. That is how great this crock pot is, and easy. So I'm putting in my pepper flakes and everything in there, because that is pretty much it. You know, you don't have to go and check on it or anything. With a crock pot, you just do what you have to do. You put in all your stuff. That's the sugar I'm putting in there, and you know, you just go and do something else. You go to sleep, you wake up, and you know, you get stuff done faster when you just leave things hands off. So this is really helpful. So I'm taking a spoon and just kind of pushing this down till I get all the seasoning mixed in. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to cover this, and as I said, just leave it and let it take its time to cook and do its magic. This is how my collard greens look the next morning. It is done. All you have to do now is adjust for salt, and if you want to add more pepper flakes or whatever it is that's missing, you just do that at this point. And this is all done. You see how the meat fell off the bone. This is what I love about doing this in the crock pot. You just leave it, you don't have to worry about too much, and you have a perfect tasting collard greens. And then if you have to go to someone's house, you just take the whole crock pot. Win-win. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving. God bless. Bye.